Welcome back to the shop. This is my F250. It's great because there's all sorts of places to tie things down. I welded rings on it. I've got all sorts of different places to hook stuff, but it's still not enough. I believe I'm gone crazy. I've gone overboard, but it's my truck and that's what I'm going to do. Sorry I'm standing in the light. But what I've got are these brass inserts, and these are in furniture quite a bit. And actually they're threaded. They're like a screw on the outside, and then there's a nut on the inside, and it's 1/4-20, so I'll be able to screw these bolts right into it. Let's go ahead and install one, and then we'll take a closer look at it. They're called Eazy Lock. I think they make them in different sizes, 3/8/16, 1/4-20, so on and so forth. And yeah, these happen to be the 1/4-20, but they're just handy. You know, they're brass. The ease of installation is super nice. It's a 25/64 drill bit, and then you just zip them down in there. And you can continue to run the bolt in and out, and you're not going to lose anything. Unlike if I had a wooden screw or a lag, it would, you know, eventually wear out. I can't seem to find an example of a wood T-bolt that would... I'll insert a picture of the T-bolt. They're superior, but you have to access the back side of the wood to put it on. I'll put the picture of that now. Another neat fastener are these Uclips. This is also 1/4-20, but this just snaps over a body panel if it's sheet metal or whatnot. They use these a lot in automotive applications. And it's a robust connection. It's great. It's self-aligning. They're just handy. They're not cheap, though. They can get quite expensive. I think these are about 20 or 30 cents a piece. But again, there's nothing better than having the right tool for the right job. It's not revolutionary, but it keeps me from having to span the whole length of the bed if I want to hold something down. Before I had to, come all the way across to hook over to here. And now with these hooks out here, I can take a gas can and just tie off part of it and not have to contend with all that. But I thought it was worth sharing, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.